The purpose of TSB-72 is to assist in the planning of fiber-to-the-desk cabling system, utilizing centralized electronics versus the traditional method of distribution de electronics to the individual floors. Y la sintetización del texto es: The purpose of the TSB-72 is to guide the planning of fiber-to-the-desk cabling systems using centralized electronics instead of distribution them across individual floors. The work area connections are extended to the main across connect by utilizing air-cooled truss cables and interconnect power supplies in the telecommunications room. Y la sintetización del texto es: Work area connections are linked to the main cross connect via pull-through cables, interconnects, or splices.
Use of an interconnection between the horizontal and backbone cabling provides the greatest flexibility, ease of manageability, and can easily migrate to a cross connect. The maximum horizontal cabling length is specific at 90 meters, 22,000 to 95 meters. The distance of horizontal and backbone cabling combined with work area cords, patch cords, and equipment cords is not exceed 300 meters or 984 meters. El resumen de todo esto es: use an interconnection is the basics for a backbone cabling provides, and the greatest flexibility is of
As air cable or jacket fibers. When storing slack, provision shall be made to ensure being radius limitations are not violated. Cable slack can be stored within enclosure or on the wall of the telecommunications rooms. Protective enclosures shall be used when storing slack fibers. La sintetización del siguiente texto es: Slack can be stored as cable or unjacked fibers when storing slack. Being radius limitations must be respected. Cable slack can be stored within an enclosure or in the wall of a telecommunications room, and protective enclosures are required for slack fibers. When planning the wall mount or rack mount layout, provisions should be made to allow future growth. La sintetización del texto es: When planning a wall mount or rack mount layout, provisions should be made to accommodate future growth.
Yeah. 300 meters. When designing a centralized cable system, provisions shall be made to allow for the migration from pull-through, interconnect, or splice to a cross-connect implementation. To facilitate this migration, sufficient space shall be left in the telecommunications room for additional patch panels. In addition, adequate cable slack shall be left in telecommunications room to allow for the cables to be moved to the cross connect location. Ahora, el resumen de este texto es: when using the pull-through method, the cable must have an unbroken covering from the work area to the telecommunications room and the central cross connect. The cable length should not exceed 300 meters, 984 feet. When designing a centralized cabling system, plan for the possibility of switching from pull-through interconnect or splice to a cross-connect setup. To make this change easier, leave enough space in telecommunications room for extra patch panels and leave enough cable slack to move the cables to the cross-connect location.
when sizing backbone cabling, provisions should be made for future horizontal links, thereby minimizing the need of additional backbone cables. The backbone fiber count should be capable of supporting present and future networking technologies. Typically, two fibers are required for each application. Connection required at the work area. Leveling on the centralized cabling system shall follow the requirements and specified in TIA 606. Ahora, la sintetización de este texto es: backbone cabling should account for future horizontal links to avoid adding cables. Fiber counter must support current and future technologies with 2 fibers per application connection. Labeling must follow TIA 606 standards. Listo.
To ensure correct fiber polarity, the centralized cable system shall implement the AP orientation at the work area and BA orientation at the centralized cross connect, as specified at section 12.7.1 of ANSI TEI EA 568A. Fibers can be joined by either using remountable connectors of splice. Of connectors are used to connectors shall meet the specifications as defined TA 568A. Fiber fusion or mechanic spliced provided the requirements as specified in TA 568A are met. Ahora, el texto sintetizado es el siguiente. To ensure correct fiber polarity, the centralized cable system must use AB orientation at the work area and BA at the centralized cross connect, following NCTA EIA 568A. Section 12.7.1. Fibers can be joined with remountable connectors over splice, with connectors and splicing methods meeting TIA 568